Hello, my dear people. A warm welcome to my tiny YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, consider to subscribe it right now and watch till the end. As you have seen in the thumbnail, yes, it's a very short video. There is no description, there is no need of description. We are just going to convert an old pant into a dust cleaner. Just watch the video till the end so that you can understand it very clearly. It's nothing but we are cutting all the stitches so as to get a rectangle or square pieces, to get a long pieces to make the dust cleaner. That is up to you. You can fold as you like, how you feel comfortable to get long pieces to make dust cleaner. You can see in the video how I folded to get long pieces. It is up to your convenience. You can fold how you like. The thing is that we need to get long pieces. Please watch the video till the end so that you can understand how I made the dust cleaner. It is an old brush that I am using. Watch the video very carefully till the end, and also you may try it once when you get free time. People, our dust cleaner is almost completed, and now we will see in the next video with a beautiful and different topic.